There's no reason to go into a spin when you've got Rudd snow chains with you. Fitting is quick and easy. Lay out the chain mesh behind the tire, making sure that the inner and outer side chains are correctly positioned. Lay the fitting chain over the tire and close the ends. Hook the chain mesh onto the tensioning chain with the lateral attachment hooks. Slowly drive about 1 wheel revolution forward. This draws the chain mesh onto the tire. The locking parts should then be freely accessible. Now unhook the attachment hooks from the tensioning chain, first from the inside and then from the outside. Fasten the chain mesh with the inner and outer attachment hooks. Open the tensioning chain and remove it completely. Tighten the snow chain on the tire with the tensioning chain that runs through the pull-through eyelets. Pulling again helps achieve the correct tension. Hook the fastening hook through the next attainable link and close. Pass the rest of the tensioning chain through the side chain and hook it in with the security hook. Snow chains for commercial vehicles, quickly and easily fitted.